How to change voicemail voice on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running on latest iOS 18 and now you want to change your voicemail voice on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to change voicemail voice on iPhone iOS 18 is make sure you check for available updates on your iPhone and then update now. Now you need to download and install the latest update. Once you download and install the latest update via settings, general software update, and then you download it, then exit the page. Now go ahead and open the phone app. Click on voicemail at the bottom right. Then here you should see greetings. Go ahead and click on greeting. Now to change the voicemail voice, you need to switch from default to custom. Then you'll be able to record your own voicemail voice. So let's go ahead and do this. Once you select custom, just click on record. Hi, I'm currently offline, but this is my voicemail. Just leave your message, and as soon as I say the message, I will call you back instantly. That is guaranteed. And then once you're done, click on stop. And then click on save at the top right, and then you're good to go. Then when next you have an incoming call via the voicemail, this particular voice is going to play instead of the default voicemail greeting. So that is basically how to change voicemail voice on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.